Let us find the length of perpendicular drawn from the point 0, 0 to this line and also from the point 2, 3 to the second line. We know that distance between the point x1, y1 and the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by, once again, the perpendicular distance between the point x1, y1 and the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by p equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root over a square plus b square. However, the distance must be positive, so we generally write plus minus or write the modulus sign. That makes sure that p remains positive. Okay, in this case, we got x1, y1 equal to 0, 0. Let's write that. And the line is given by 3x plus 1y plus 1 equal to 0. Once again, the point is itself the origin, x1, y1 equal to 0, 0, and the line is 3x plus 1y plus 1 equal to 0. And so perpendicular distance is given by, in this case, a equal to 3, so 3, b equal to 1, so 1, and c equal to 1. What about x1 and y1? We got x1 equal to 0. We got y1 is also equal to 0, plus we copy as it is. Square root of a square plus b square. Square root of 3 square plus 1 square. That's the perpendicular distance. Of course, it's positive, so we don't have to write the modulus. And thus p turns out to be 1 by root 10. Of course, I should write some unit. How about the second problem? In case of second problem, x1, y1 is 2, 3, the point is 2, 3, line is 8x plus 15y plus 24 equal to 0. We compare it with the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. To find that a equal to 8, b equal to 15 and c equal to 24. And thus perpendicular distance is given by p equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. We know a equal to 8, so let's write 8. We know x1 equal to 2. Let us write x1 equal to 2. We know b equal to 15, so we write b equal to 15. We know y1 equal to 3. We write y1 equal to 3. We know c equal to 24. And root over a square plus b square, root over 8 square plus 15 square. We compute this number and get the perpendicular distance. Once again, we find it positive. 8 times 2 is 16, 16 plus 24 is 40, 15 times 3 is 45, and 40 plus 45 is 85. 85 divided by 80 square is 64, 15 square is 225. If we add it, we get 289, and square root of 289 is just 17. In this case, perpendicular distance turned out to be 85 by 17. We can cancel 85 by 17, and this turns out to be just 5 units.